Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you make an invisible name in Facebook. So for making an invisible name on Facebook, you have to go in your Play Store. You can see here I am on my Play Store. After come here Play Store, you have to search here FACBOOK Facebook Lite. You can see here Facebook Lite. You have to search on it, Facebook Lite, and then you have to install Facebook Lite app. And after installing, you have to simply open your Facebook Lite app. After opening your Facebook Lite app, you have to make sure you log into your Facebook Lite app, and after that you have to copy two symbol which I will provide in my description box. You can copy from my description box. You can see here two symbol. You have to copy it from my description box. After copy it, you have to go your Facebook. After come here your Facebook, you will can see here option see more about yourself. You have to click on it, and then you have to scroll down. Then you will can see here option called other name. You can see option other name. You have to click here add. Then you have to click here on nickname, and then you have to add here your nickname. Then you have to click here save. Then you can see here your nickname have been added. Here you can see your nickname added. Then you have to go back from here, and then you have to click here three dot line. You can see here three dot line. You have to simply click here three dot line. Then you have to scroll down. Then you can see here settings option. You have to click here settings, and then after clicking here settings, you can see here personal and account information. You have to click on it, and then you can see here name option. You have to click on it, name option, and then you have to cut your first name and then paste here the symbol, and then you have to cut your second name and then paste here symbol, and then you have to click here review sense. You can see here review sense, and then you have to paste here your password. You can see here I am pasting here my password. Then you have to click here save sense. Then you can see here your name have been changed, and then you have to go back from here, and you have to come here at your profile, and then you have to refresh. You can see here only your nickname. Then you have to click here more about yourself. You have to click here, and then you have to scroll down, and then you have to click here pen icon. You can see here nickname pen icon. You have to click here, and then you have to delete your nickname. You can see here option delete your nickname. You have to click here delete your nickname, and then you can see here your profile have been create invisible name. So that's how you can create invisible name for your Facebook. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.